27. Yes, this is part 2. Special IFE lift with the announcement. I don't know if they still have. Let's go to 25. Oh, come on, bruh. Going up. Going up. Man, they really replaced the announcement. They suck. Oops. A bit too loud. This lift a bit blurrish. Okay, there we go. Okay. Story 25. Story 22. Going up. Story 25. Story 25. Okay, let's call it A. Yeah, the lift's so rusty already. It's a bit more darker. Let's go back down to 1. Going down. Oh, yippee! This lift has the old announcement still. But then lift B is already replaced. Let's see. Story 16. Let's go back up to 25. Going up. Why does this sound like the MRT train? Alright, 25. Let's go back down to 24. Going down. Story 24. Let's go back down to 1. Going down. Going down. Going up. IFE passenger capacity. Man, it's IFE, bro. Going down. Going up. Going down. Alright, mate. Okay, this one too. Story 1. Story 1. Let's go to block 39. Okay, y'all. Here is block 39. There are 2 IFE lifts. Gonna wait. Waiter. Here comes the elevator. Let's go up to 25. Going up. Bro, this one also replaced the announcements. Interior time. Boring lift. Story 24. Story 18. Oh, this one's like a glitch chime. Going down. Yay! This is a magic lift. I'm going down. Okay then. Get a nice stitch. Bruh. Story 1. Yeah, I'm lucky to get lift B. I've got to 25. Going up. Oh, so each lift has... Okay, so only one lift has old announcements and the other one has newer ones. Going up, going down. Okay. Story 23. Let's go up to again. Going up. Story 25. Let's go back down to 1. Going down. What is this, bro? Going down. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's go to block 33. Okay, y'all, I filmed 34 first is because I don't know. Just gonna see if this leaf is any special. Got 214. Oh, wait, 2. Going up. Story 2. Okay, this leaf is just normal. Going up. IFE. But this one don't have the cancelling. Okay. Story 14. Story 15. Story 16. Story 14. Let's go back down to 1. Going down. Oh, come on. Mini IFE. If this is a home lift, it's because this is a bit smaller. Or maybe it's the same. I don't know. Going down, going up, going down. What the fuck? Okay, let's go to block 30. Okay, now I'm at block 33. My final IFE lift here. Got to 12. No announcements. Alright, I guess. Here we are at 12. Okay. Bro, what? Going there. Story 11. Going there. Maybe the announcement's one off. See. Going up, going down. Story 1, story 2. Nice, bro. Alright, y'all. Gonna go to block 17 to film Mitsubishi's.